Okay, in the shop today we got a 26 Hyundai Palisade. I just started to wash it, but this is the before shot. And man, this is a nice looking vehicle. I'll get you the after here in a minute. Okay, after 3 full days of work, just look at the results. Spectacular. The level of gloss, the hydrophobic, the ease of cleaning, the 7 years of protection against UV rays and mag chloride is just amazing. I include the wheel faces. I mean, look at that. It's ridiculous. I include the door jambs and all the glass. That's just standard with my service. So this is Michael Paulden, Ceramic Precision Detailing, and what this means is never any upsells. Thanks for watching. One last look. There you go, 26 Hyundai Palisade. Beautiful vehicle.